see. Okay, let's go. Woo. Why? Ako naka-stream ako sa YouTube ngayon. Uy, late night mode. Oh yes, it is very late night mode. Well, kaya ba? Sige. Hello, 3 people. Ba't kayo gising? Char. Okay. Buhay mga night owls niya. Etong kape ko na to, kanina pa tong umaga. Hindi ko na siya nainom. Dapat pa nagdala na ako ng snack. Hindi, mamaya na. Kuha na, kuha na. Sige, wait lang chat. Balik ako. Do, re, mi. Do, re, mi. Ako gising kasi night shift ako by nature, so before I got notified of my streamers. Oh. Anong... What hectic? Tigil na ako. You know, nag-notif si Harry G on Facebook. Lol. Okay lang, at least nakikita mo. Kasama ka sa conversation. Sige. Oh yeah, it was very very hectic earlier. I was actually na-late pa nga ako eh. Pero andun ako before 8:30. And then after mag-rehearse, sorry wait lang. After mag-rehearse, we had some mic troubles as usual. And then wait, huminga lang ako, lumipad yung fake lashes ko. Tapos, ayun. Wait lang. Okay, anyway. Nag-rehearse kami. After na mag-rehearse, we looked for a place where we could eat. And at the time, sarado pa yung mall, technically. So, pero buti na lang pinayagan kami pumasok dun sa cafe. Tapos yun. Tas ang onti ko kasi uminom, to be fair. So, onti lang nabawas. Tas tinake out ko na lang. Tas after nun, di ko na siya nagalaw. Kasi sunod-sunod na yung pangyayari. Anyway, let's learn Python. Wapo. What happened to Andy? Nadapa siya. Tas, hindi, sa backstage, nung nag-aayos pa lang kami, nadapa siya. Tapos, kasi maraming gamit. Tas may iniwasan siyang gamit or bag or whatever. Tas, ayun, nadapa. Grabe. Anyway. Tara. Hindi, okay lang. Okay lang. Keep the energy up. Oh. O ngayon, nabuhay ka na. It's because kasama mo na ako. Just. Okay, tara na. Okay, let's go. Python in 1 hour. Oh. To learn. Okay, wait lang. Create. Yeah, very, very late stream. Wala bang ibang tao dito sa chat? Well. Okay, let's go. G. Okay. Right click. New file app. Pwede double. F10. Wait. Wait lang ah. Pause. Wait lang, ayusin ko lang yung itsura nung... Okay. Wait lang. So, paano ko siya paano ko ipapakita yan yung sa baba? Wait lang. Hindi. Hindi eh. Wait lang. Pwede pa ba? Ito diba new, tas file. File or atong console? Tas F10 no? Sabi mo? Yun ba yun? At parang ayaw. Terminal. Saan? Yung pangalan nung... Oo. Ito. Ay, the file is not runnable. Run? Sige, wait. Din-download ko rin community eh. Uninstall. Okay. Sige. Wait. Ano? O sige. Yeah. Ito online Python beta. Night mode. Oh. Sige. Wait lang. Actually, patapos naman na yung download ng community. Okay. Confirm. Skip. New project. Change. Ito na. Ito siya. So, diba, create lang ako, diba? Create. Okay, ngayon creating. Okay, now, I go to Python project, right? And then I right click. New. File ba or Python file? Python file. Ito yung lumabas. Ay, di ako sige, wait lang. Yan. Ito yung lumabas. I think dapat file lang. Oh, asyo. So, dito ako magsusulat nung print. Ay, paano ulit? Print. Hello world. Yan. F10. Shift F10. May problema daw. Ano yung problema? Weak word. I'm hacker man. Let's go. I heard you. Yeah, I did. Yeah. Alright, let's go next step. Kaya nga. Ano nakataas? Let's go. Let's go. Yan, ganyan na lang muna. Okay na yan. Okay, G. Play the video. What video? Iba ata yung ano mo. Ibang ay, pie charm. Yes, pie charm. Yan. Okay, let's go. Sige, thank you, please. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Where? But why? Oh my goodness. Okay, wait lang. How do I fix that? Okay, wait lang. Sige, yeah, that's true, that's true.
Nakaano siya?
I think okay na.
Try mo. Dapat gumagalaw yung ano mo,
Sige, play
yung
mo yung video.
indicator.
You can see an arrow over here. In this case,
Yeah,
sensitive language.
moving, it's
So it's
moving.
Ayun,
a
meron na
Boolean
niyan.
value.
Okay,
Now, note
anyway.
that Python is a
Thank you,
case-sensitive
Hez.
language, so it's sensitive to lowercase and uppercase
Need mods? The joke. Need mods? The joke.
letters. In this case, if I use
Need
a
mods to
lowercase
DNA? The
f,
joke. Anyway,
you
yeah,
can see
let's
an
go.
arrow over here because this is not recognized in Python. So false with a capital F is a special keyword in Python that represents the Boolean false value.
Boolean.
So this is how we can declare
I
and
like
use
saying
variables in
Boolean.
Python. All right, now here's a
Boolean.
little exercise for you. Imagine we want to write
Ayan
a
na.
program for a hospital. So we're going to check in a patient named John Smith. He's 20 years old and is a new patient. I want you to declare a few variables to store these values. Use the comment box below to share your code with others.
Okay. Let's go. First exercise.
John Smith.
You should print that.
Ano yung ipe-print?
May exercise daw eh. So, kailangan...
For these values, here's a
Ito.
program for a Python. All right, now here's a little exercise for you. So this is a special
Ayan.
keyword in Python that represents
Mhm.
the Boolean false value. So this is how we can declare and use variables in Python. All right, now here's a little exercise for you. Imagine we want to write a program for a hospital. So we're going to check in a patient named John Smith. He's 20 years old and is a new patient. I want you to declare a few variables to store these.
Hmm?
May nagtanong kasi si Shu, anong meron at napakode? Ba't tayo nagko-code daw? Walang
Ano, ano kami, gagawa kami ng, gagawa kami ng AI.
Go na.
Joke lang. Anyway, yan. Gagawa daw tayo ng program for for the hospital daw. We check in a patient named John Smith. 20 years old daw siya and he's a patient.
Mm.
So it means dapat room. Yeah. Like, papasok sa system na yun yung pangalan niya. Go!
Mm.
Yes. Like, name niya dapat.
Okay.
Am I doing this right? Yeah, I'm doing this right.
Yeah, I think I did it right also.
Hmm?
I think I did it right naman.
Tapos ka na?
Yeah.
The heck? Nag-umpisa pa lang ako eh. Daya mo.
Ano mo tayo
I mean, hindi pa man ako nag-start eh.
Okay, go na.
Then. Wait lang. Ano ko eh. Ito yung sa akin eh.
Why is there 8
Yeah,
people watching me code?
Uh-huh.
Wait, 8 people. Hello, 8 people. Say hi in the chat.
New patient. Patient and type. Yung sa akin, yun, kung gusto makita. Ewan, bala mo. Patient type. New patient. I'm gonna do it like this. And then I'll print this. Print. I should print. Ewan ko kung nakita mo yung akin.
Hindi.
Name. Ay, hindi ba? I will, I'll sa live stream ako and stuff. Ano pala. I'll stream, I'll print. Name. Age. Then, patient type. May error ako. Sa error. Anyway, I'll run it muna. Unexpected indent.
Saan ba yung live mo? Si Harry di ako pinapansin sa Twitch, sabi ni Tony.
Ay, wait lang. Wait lang, my good sir. Hindi na bukas ata yung Twitch ko. Saan ba yung Twitch ko? Hindi ba lumilitaw yung ano sa ano? Oh, heck. Hindi lumilitaw. Shit, wait. Nasaan ba yung Twitch ko? Wait, I gotta open up my dashboard. Sorry, my good sir. Sorry, my good sir. Ayun, ayun. May nakita akong visual. Ayun, good morning. May nakita akong visual studio ko da. Ayun. Hello. Actually, it's Python. It's
Paano
actually
ba? Wait
Python.
lang. Ano bang
Wait lang.
pinapagawa ng exercise?
Ha?
Ano bang pinapagawa ng exercise?
I think i-print lang daw natin yan.
I-print lahat?
Kung wari na daw natin. Tama ba to? Di ba tama to? Ay, gagi. I don't even know. Like, should have been. Bro, I'm already failing the class. Wait. Nakuha ko na to ah. What's happening? Wait. Indentation error. Unexpected indent. Ah! Okay. Got it. Okay. Should work. Fuck. Ah!
You...
Wait. Will this work? No, it doesn't work. Yeah, wait. Tayo
Kaya
mag-print.
finish. I'm
Ba
doing
dapat? Ba
good.
tayo
I'm
mag-print
actually
ng...
really... Actually, my tiredness is gone right now. But I was really tired earlier. I came from an event. I had a live
What am I
performance
doing
earlier.
wrong with here?
And yeah, it was a very eventful day
Mag-
actually.
Print.
But
Wait,
and
what
then
did it
like
do sa'yo?
going home, I got really tired.
Hindi, alam ko dapat mapiprint din yung age niya. At the same time, mapiprint din yung ano eh.
Okay.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. Wait lang. Oo nga, no? Ito nga pala yung programa na. Should be like... Yeah.
Ba't nag-
Ano yung print? Yung nagtataka niya.
Tar.
Okay.
Tar.
Bakit? Anong tar?
Hindi, naglalag kasi yung live sa Twitch. I don't know. Tapos kanina, na-stuck siya sa TRRUE.
Or I just gotta run it like this. Ay, hindi. Wala akong piniprint eh. Wait. It should be
Bagal.
print.
Ito sa Facebook. Facebook naman kita panoorin.
Wait. Print. Should be. May doon sa... Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay. Wait. Does it work like this? Oh shit, no. Left done. Well, yeah, nangyari siya. Age. Yeah. 20 years old. Yeah.
Isa-isa.
Mm. Don't work like that, okay. Noted. I guess, yeah. See a new patient? Tama bang ginagawa ko?
I don't know. Harry, we're
Oh.
at the 10-minute mark of this video.
Wait, I gotta put something here. Yung patient is true tapos, um, um, am I doing this right? And
Where did I left off earlier? Where did I left off? I had an eventful day. That's what I'm
true.
trying to say.
Oh yeah, I got it. I fucking got this.
I was starting to be like really sleepy, but Harry told me that if I wanted to learn coding, and I do want to learn, so
Parang ako yung mga ano,
Now we're
parang,
here.
okay, ito lang yung tinuro, pero I'm gonna be like so extra for the extra points, magpapabibo ako sa...
Kaya nga eh, exactly. You're doing too much for now. Mamaya ka na. Simplihan mo muna. Nasa 10 minutes pa lang tayo.
It works! See? It works! It works, Ash!
Ay, hindi.
It
Oh,
works.
it's maxed out. Oh, my gain is really low. Hello?
Hello.
Ay, hindi.
Ayun,
Sorry.
okay
Hindi,
na.
chinecheck ko yung microphone ko sa live. If it's better. Kasi ang hina daw ng boses ko. Hinaan din kita ng konti.
Kailangan dito nga pala, from top to bottom yung pag-run ng program. And then should be... Perfect! See? I'm a coding genius, Ash! I'm a coding fucking genius! Sorry. Hala, hindi ko na narinig si Ash. Hello?
Hello. Yes?
Ayun. Nagkakita. Okay. I got it. Look how beautiful my code is.
Shut up.
Hello?
Yeah, I saw. It says newly admitted instead of just.
Julie.
New.
Yeah. And then I did. Look what I did. If new patient is true, then ano siya, print newly admitted the string. Boom! Okay, let's continue. Teacher, tignan mo yung ginawa ko. Teacher, ano po kasi ako, nag-advance reading po ako. Hindi katulad ng mga iba ko estudyante na labas-labas lang sila pag weekends. Ako po, nag-advance study po ako sa mga books ko and lessons. Tingnan mo sa akin, teacher, oh.
Okay. Tara na. Move on.
Okay, let's go.
Values. Use the comment box below to share your code with others.
We don't get the answer?
Ito yung answers. I mean, there's no right and wrong answer. There's no right and wrong answers as long as wala siyang error. Pero yung mga bayayan, yung mga ginawa nila. Ayun yung mga ginawa nila. Yeah, it's just a matter of if no error, tama. I mean, that's how programming is, diba? I mean, you can do whatever you want as long as it runs and it do what it should do. As long as walang error. Pero yeah, let's go. Let's continue.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to receive input from the user. So in Python, we have another built-in function called input. We use this to read a value from the terminal window. Let me show you. So we add parentheses, then we type a string. Here we can type a message like, what is your name? You add a question mark followed by a space. You will see why we need this space in a second. So let's run this program. We get this message. Now we have to enter a value. So we click over here. Now you can see that the caret is separated from the question mark. This is because of the white space that we added over here. So now we have to type a value, let's say John. When we press enter, this function will return the value that we entered in the terminal window. So we can get that value and store it in a variable. So let's declare a variable called name and set it to the return value of the input function. Now we can print a greeting message for this user. So we use the print function we say hello, we add a space. Now, after the string, we want to add the value of the name variable. So we use a plus sign and then type name. What we are doing here is called string concatenation. So we're combining this string with
pala.
another string. Now let's run our program and see what happens. So what is your name? Mosh. Now we get this message. Hello, Mosh. So this is how we can use the input function in
Wow.
Python.
Okay. I see.
Yeah, it's
We
like
have learned about the three types of data in Python. We have numbers,
input.
strings, and booleans. Now, there are
Boolean.
times you want to convert
Yeah,
the
boolean.
value of a variable from one type to another. Let me show you. So we're going to use our input function to read the user's birth year. So enter your birth year. Now this input function is going to return a value, so we can store it in a variable called birth underline year. Okay? Now let's write code to calculate the age of this user. So we write an expression like this. Currently we are in the year 2020. So 2020 minus birth year. This expression or piece of code is going to produce a value. So once again, we can store that value in a variable. Let's call that variable age. Now let's print age on the terminal. Let's run our program and see what happens. So my birth year is 1982. Enter. Oops, our program crashed. So whenever you see this red message,
Birth.
that indicates an error. So this error occurred in this file. That is our app.py on line 2. Right below that, you can see the piece of code that generated this error. So that is this expression, 2020 minus birth year. Now below that, you can see the type of error. So here we have unsupported types for subtraction. We have int and stir.
String.
What are these? Well, this int is short for integer, and that represents a whole number in programming. So 2020 is an example of an integer. Now birth year is an example of a string, because whenever we call the input function, this function will return a value as a string, even if we enter a number. In other words, when I entered 1982, this input function returned a string with these characters, 1982. So this string is different from the number 1982. They're
Okay.
completely different types. So in this case, let me delete these lines. The reason we got this error is that we tried to subtract a string from an integer. So our code looked like this, 1982. Now
Okay.
Python doesn't know how to subtract a string from an integer. So to solve this problem, we need to convert this string to an integer. Now in Python, we have a bunch of built-in functions for converting the types of our variables. So we have this int function. We can pass our birth year to it, and this will return the numeric representation of the birth year. So to solve this problem, we need to replace the string with the int function. So let's see what's going on here.
Oh.
On the first line, we call the input function. This returns a string. On the second line, we pass this string to our int function. The int function will return the numeric representation of the birth year. Then we subtract it from 2020. We get the age and store it in the age variable. Now let's run our program. So 1982, and there you go. I'm 38 years old. So this is how the int function works. Now we also have another built-in function called float. That is for converting a value to a floating point number. A floating point number in Python and other programming languages is a number with a decimal point. So 10 is an integer and 10.1 is a float.
Okay.
So we have int, we have float, and we also have bool for converting a value to a boolean. And finally, we have stir for converting a value to a string.
Okay.
So these are the built-in functions for converting the type of our variables. Now here's a little exercise.
Yun yung di ko gets eh.
The
Since
built-in
meron na tayong integer,
Hmm.
I mean, ba't meron pang float? For what? I mean, nagka-point something lang naman siya. So, bakit pa nagka-float?
Kasi
yung hindi
si
ko
integer
maintindihan.
is for whole numbers only.
Yeah, kaya nga, for whole... okay, that makes sense. So, for specifically for whole numbers
Yeah.
lang talaga, since may point na siya, hindi siya whole numbers. So
Yeah.
Python is stupid enough para ano niya, like hindi niya alam si integers hindi niya alam si whole numbers sa ano.
Sa may decimal.
Mm. Wait,
Yeah.
so ibig sabihin you can't do or hindi pa natin alam. Kasi inisip ko, di ba, like, since integer, hindi siya pwedeng yan sa string, kailangan mo siyang integer. Ang integer, pwede kaya siya, like, i-formulate with a float. Tipo
Mm.
ganun. Now, we're
Yeah.
gonna find out. We're gonna find out in a bit. I mean, exercise siya ulit niyan. Let's go.
Functions for converting the type of our variables. Now here's a little exercise for you. I want you to write a basic calculator program. So here we have to enter two numbers. We can type a whole number or a number with a decimal point. And then our program will print the sum of these two numbers. So pause the video, spend 2 minutes on this exercise, and then see my solution.
Ano daw?
Actually, hanggang dito lang ako eh. Ulitin ko. We gotta make a basic calculator now.
Okay.
Now here's a little exercise for you. I want you to write a basic calculator program. So here we have to enter two numbers. We can type a whole number or a number with a decimal point. And then our program will print the sum of these two numbers.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
pause the video, spend 2 minutes on this exercise, and
Okay,
then see my
gagawa ng
solution.
calculator. Gets.
Yeah, basically gagawa tayong calculator. Let's go. Got this. Okay.
Oh, I forgot everything we learned.
Okay. Then I think it should be like this. Tapos it should be yeah.
Add lang
Ayun.
naman, di ba?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Almost forgot. Ano siya? Saan nga pala string ito? Should be a string. Tapos, mamaya daw to. My up button is not working. Should be a integer. So, dapat first, the first. Yan. Tapos second.
How do I,
First. And Hmm. And my brain's not brain tonight. May energy ako, but my brain's not brain.
How do I... Nakakatuwa yung struggle ni Harry. Sabi ni Shu.
And nagawa ko na to kanina.
Yung question ko lang is, I think nagawa ko na. My question is, 'di ba dun sa example niya, nakalagay sum,
Hmm.
tapos lalabas din yung sum talaga. Paano ko siya ipapakita in one line?
Ano yan?
Paano
Wait.
ko...
In one line? What do you
Yeah.
mean in one line?
Like, kasi, 'di ba, yung word na sum,
Hmm.
so magiging print parenthesis quotation mark sum
Hmm.
colon quotation mark parenthesis.
Ah.
Tapos paano ko ipapakita yung 30? Kasi alam ko lang kung paano siya gawin is print tapos parenthesis tas yung pinangpangalan ko dun sa thing.
Print parenthesis. I mean, di ba siya pwede ng ganun? Ay, hindi mo kasi hindi mo siya, I don't think pwede mong i-print yung sum kasi sum is sum is ano tawag dito? Sum is basically ano tawag doon? Sum is basically a function di ba? So, kailangan gawin mo siyang like, lagyan mo siya na like, ano tawag dito yung variable. So, I guess, katulad ng ginagawa ko, lagyan mo siya ng let's say,
Plus?
pangalan mo, answer,
Oo.
then equals sum, open and close parenthesis. Yeah. Ako, ganun kasing
I think I got it.
ginawa ko.
Never mind.
Then, print kung ano man yung ginawa mo ngayon, yung name niya dun sa like variable stuff. Pero I'm getting fucking 5 errors and I don't know why. Unexpected indent. What do you mean?
Ano yung may plus? Shit, nakalimutan ko yung plus. Ito ba yun? Wait lang.
Nakalimutan ko paano ko ginawa. Kanina ginawa ko to like I did it. Like I did it earlier sa laptop. Like isang run lang, like boom.
We?
Yeah.
Ano
Ano
ulit
yan? Ba't di ko
pangalan ng
magawa?
video na yan? Mosh. Ay.
Bakit?
May gusto akong balikan.
Di balik ko lang dito. Ito. Yung live stream ko.
Okay,
Balik ko.
sige. Balik mo pa ng onte.
Dito.
The age variable.
Hindi
Yan.
ba?
Now let's
Hindi,
run our
hindi.
program. 1982. The Python doesn't know how to subtract a string from an
Hindi
integer.
eh.
So to solve this,
Ako na. I think, nahanap ko naman na ata.
the world, so I'm going to declare it represents
Oh.
a variable called number. Call the input functions for converting the type of our variable program. So as the video to class, we have string able to vn quotes. Close that. And
Let's
then
go!
numbers with a decimal point
How the
or
heck?
is on it's like
I
another
did
variable. Also, the same you split that thing over here. We variable called
Ash.
string and then type name.
Ito. Hello. Plus.
Oh. 80 plus 21. It's naging 8,021. Wait. No.
I think ito na.
It should be like this. Oh shoot, may error. Oh, it was never closed. Okay.
What we are doing here is
Ayun,
called
wala na akong error. Got it. 80.
Oh, hindi
Ay,
ko
gago.
gets. Ba't ganun?
Ano?
string.
Stop and rerun. Okay, I got this. 80 plus 21. Yeah. A supported
Nine, four.
operation.
Can only concentrate. I see.
Okay, I got it as well. Okay, dapat kong tanggalin to. Yan, 8. Since meron siyang plus doon, para nagiging redundant yung addition. Since may sum na ako, may plus sign pa ako sagot sa loob. Fuck. Some strings. Okay, mali. Baligtad. I should int muna siya dito sa labas yung sum. Yeah, it
It
should be
has
like
to be
this.
string.
80 plus 90. Huh? A string object cannot be interpreted as an integer.
Gets ko na. I got it.
Kailangan. I'm still figuring it out.
Okay.
Ay, dapat sinashare natin with each other yung mga natawag na dito.
Yung mga...
Yung kung paano natin kinode.
Oh, sige.
Okay, wait lang. Tinatapos ko pa yung akin. I'm getting an error.
Wag mo nang i-extra, please.
Hindi ko oh, grabe to. Hindi ka na extra. I'm literally figuring it out.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Gusto lang nagkamali. Okay.
Any
like
specific
this.
plans as to what
Ayan.
occupation? I am currently a translator. That is my job. This is just for fun, though I am interested in exploring options in tech.
I'm sure it's not callable.
Yeah, I am interested in exploring options in tech, but not right now. I tried to learn code by myself before. I just didn't have the motivation to do it. But now that I have someone that I'm doing it with, it gives me more motivation. I don't know how long we're gonna do this, if we're gonna be honest.
I should
But,
do this, instead.
You know, having a partner
I
to do
should
it
think
with
this
is super
solution.
motivating. It's like going to the gym. I hated going to the gym when I was alone. But when I was with a friend,
Answer
it was more fun.
was solution.
Di ko gets yung gusto mong gawin, Ash.
Ay,
As
tapos,
in-
I
Yeah,
put
as in like
it
one
in
line
the-
lang.
Unexpected indent.
Mamaya I just needed to read the thing below to understand it, but once I did,
Tama.
yeah, I got it.
Sure. Got this.
How are you?
Wait.
Okay.
Okay. What do you mean by unexpected indent? Hindi ba tama to? Kailangan kong i-sum.
I got what I wanted to do, which is this one. Like,
Or, mas na gamitin ko sum. Ano lang. delete the whole line. Should work. Ah! Patayin 2020. Wait lang. I'm making this stream longer than it should be. Wait lang.
Gambare, gambare.
Pwede maghiwalay gamit kama, di ba?
Ba't ka may comma?
Para maghiwalay ng stuff inside a parenthesis. Di ba?
Yung sa akin, wala akong ginamit na comma.
Ay, space?
Yeah?
Di pwede. Yeah, it's not pwede.
Paano ba? Gusto
Oh,
mo...
yeah. Kama.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, let me test it. Hindi. Wala pa akong sum eh. Let me put integer.
Gotta sleep now, got tired learning it. Okay, it's me. Thank you for dropping by.
Wait. Kung ano siya dito, sa dalawa. Hindi. Wait. Kung ano?
How long have I been a translator? 4 years now, I think. Yeah. I started during 2020.
No, that makes sense.
Literally 2 weeks before Corona happened.
Pinapahirap ko na sarili ko eh. Shit.
Do you want me to explain mine?
Wait lang. Wait lang. So there's line 5 module. Some can't. Oh. Can't sum string. Use. Wait, kasi pag binagyan ko ng ganyan, magiging string siya. Use. Instead. What I mean just wala pa ako dyan. Wait lang. Okay. So, okay. Tama yung kanina. Tama where I'm at kanina. Okay. Now, tama na yung kanina ko eh. Okay. Yeah. Input. Wala gawin ko na sa integer tapos
He is struggling.
I think I got it.
Is this it?
Ah, shit. Tama ba? Ay. I'm sorry, chat.
Yo.
You know, very long. Wait, so first, naglagay ako ng variable na meron siyang input na first at saka second. Tapos lagyan ako ng solution na variable na sabi niya, gagawin kong integer yung si first at saka second. Tapos, ngayong integer na sila, ginagawa ko silang like, string object, be interpreted as an integer.
Ba't ka may sum? Pangalan lang yun? Or like, is that the,
Wait lang. Hindi. Wait lang. Should be... Tama ba? Addition ba yung ginagamit for this type of shit?
Hindi ko alam kasi hindi naman yun yung tinuro eh. Okay. Yeah.
For the,
Yan, yan,
ano,
yan. Yeah, 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 yan.
Run it. 20.
Answer.
String object cannot be interpreted as an integer. What do you mean? String cannot be. Error ko ito.
Patingin.
Hindi ito.
Line 5, integer. Okay. Can I tell you what I did?
Pati nga.
Okay.
Hindi. Actually, I'm seeing it on your stream eh. Okay. Okay, string answer. Ah! Oh, you made it a float. Wait, hindi. I mean, isa na yun. You made it a float para
Para kung may
pwede na
decimal.
kapag ano.
Pero, yeah, this one, ganito ko siya ginawa. Instead of na yung i-convert ko muna, tapos dun ko i-add.
Mhm. So, nilagay mo input. Pareho tayo doon.
Mm-mm.
Tapos, meron ng answer equals pinload mo.
Mm-mm. Para kung may
I
decimal.
think doon ako nagkamali.
Yeah. Hindi ko kasi alam yung ginagawa mo with the comma. So,
Hindi. Ano?
yung tinuro kanina sa video is yun nga, pwede mo siyang gawin na ganito. So, yun yung ginaya ko.
I think dito ako mali. Ito yung error ko.
Yung error mo yung solution.
Tama. Wait lang. Solution, yan. Ay ko nga. Yan. Yan. Right. Okay. Wait. Sir, float plus int objects not callable. Tama. Wait. Tayo ang ano yun sa'yo. Wait, diba? Int din yun sa'yo. Basically, it's ganyan. Kailangan gawing int yun, di ba? Kailangan gawing integers yung mga yun para ma-readify ito na iyan na sila.
Mm-mm.
Tama?
Mm-mm.
Kaso, hindi na nakaiwala yung ano mo na like answer like dito. Wala na to. Basically, piniprint mo na lang si solution. Dito mo na nilagay, no? Katulad nun sa kanya nga. Bakit? Yeah, ganyan. Tama. Hindi siya automatic kasi yung nag-ano sa baba.
Okay.
Print solution. Shit, my brain is not braining, I swear. Hindi ganito yung ano ko kanina, laro ko kanina.
Laro?
I mean, ayun, I got it. Fuck. Yeah, tama. Mali yung baka yung sum, like, yeah. Kasi yung sum hindi na inaano ko, pilit kong ginagamit. So stupid of me. So it's so stupid of me kasi ginagamit ko yung sum as like short like function para
Excel.
i-add yung same as Excel. Ginagamit ko siya ng ganun. Add nga pala ano pala dito like hindi, wala siyang ganun. Ginawa ko siyang like parang Excel. Kaya nagkaka-error ako magmula kanina. Iba yung sum dito, iba yung shit, dinelete ko yung buong code. Fuck.
Control Z.
Yeah, pero kasi yung ginagamit ko yung sum as same as sa Excel which is kaya pala like
yeah, pinakita niya din kanina parang di siya gumagana ng it doesn't work like that.
Sinabi niya ba?
Oo.
So stupid of me. Ayun, so kailangan plus. Kaya pala error ng error. Wala na ako nakikitang error.
Yeah.
Ngayon pala yung sum yung error magmula kanina.
Oo.
Hindi ko tinatanggal yung sum, ang dami kong tinatanggal. Pinapalit-palit ko pero everything is tama din kahit na pinapalit ko. Yung sum yung mali, nag-iisang sum.
Okay.
Kaya pala niya like not callable shit. Ngayon pala start yung
Mm-mm.
sum, like it's start whatever it is.
Okay.
Okay, anyway, okay, I got it. Okay, sum. You don't use sum for addition. Sa ano
Okay,
lang yan,
can I
Excel.
explain
Got it.
further?
Go lang.
Okay. So, okay na yung yung sa ginawa ko answer. Well, actually, mas okay yung ginawa sa namong solution. Now, yung sa video kasi nakalagay, parang may text na sum, tas lalabas yung number. Tas kaya ako pinapa-rewind kanina yung video kasi meron siyang ginawang ganun kanina, pero iba. Tas nahanap ko na
We
siya,
have an
which
expression like so
which
this
is
error occurred completely different
Which
times.
is,
Pass the string
yung sa name,
So
yung sa
these are
hello.
in a variable
Pwede
called input function returns.
ayun. Hindi, no.
Okay.
Narinig kita. Habang
Okay.
nag-explain ka, pinanap ko lang yung clip.
Ayun. Tas, so nakita ko na parang yung sa hello, di ba pina-input yung name? Tas, kapag in-input mo yun, nalabas hello name. Pero, nung ginawa ko yun na as is, like ito lang, ayaw niya. Ayaw niya, tas lumabas yung error na ayaw niyang i-print pag hindi siya string. Kaya ako may string answer.
Ayaw niyang i-print.
Ayaw niyang i-print ng yung may plus ganito kung hindi
Bakit?
kung hindi string yung kapartner nito. I think kasi this one, yung sum colon is string. Tas ayaw niyang i-add kung hindi rin siya string.
I mean, string siya. I mean, inan mo siya. In-open and close, mo siya. Kinote on quote mo siya.
Oh, kasi gusto kong lumabas etong like dito sa baba na parang ayun, may sum. Kasi kapag wala, 'di ba lumalabas number lang?
Nilagyan mo lang may string na sum, na text na sum.
Text, yes.
Okay.
Oo. Kasi dun sa niya, sa gawa niya, may ganun eh. Kaya, yun yung pinipilit ko kanina pang ipalabas.
Well, tama yan. Actually, pwede mong tanggalin yung addition sign eh. Tanggalin mo yung addition sign.
Seryoso ba?
Sa print sum.
Ayaw eh.
Yung addition sign. I mean yung, yan.
Invalid
Hindi
syntax daw.
Hmm.
Kaya, may plus. Yun.
Try mo comma. Kasi yung, I mean, it worked. Yeah, it worked ngayon. Pero, it worked. Pero yung addition kasi, it's ginagamit for addition. Pero, yun nga, yung alam ko kasi, like sa binababasa ko, yun nga, yung panghiwalay, kumbaga, pang-space ng mga, let's say, mga variables, or, mga ganun. Ano siya, variables or
Comma.
strings, or whatever, comma siya. Kaya gumagamit ako ng comma kanina. I mean, it worked. Yeah, tama naman yun sa'yo eh. Tama yun sa'yo na, I mean, nag-work siya, yung addition. Yung nilagyan mo siya ng addition.
Oh,
Parang
kasi
basically, ina-add mo yung string dun
sa
sa
other
variable
string.
na yun.
Yeah.
Pero, yeah, it worked. Pero, ewan ko, like,
Okay, I get it.
parang mas...
Kapag magkaibang variable, pwede mong gamitin yung comma. Pero pag
panghiwalay.
magpa-plus ka, kailangan it's the same variable. It's same kind. I think.
Same. Oo, dapat nga ganun, oo.
Okay. Gets.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, it worked, pero, yeah, it worked.
Mm-mm.
It worked. It just, like, nagamit yung addition in a...
Oo. Hindi kasi kanina yun nga,
way.
yung hello plus, diba? Plus name. Doon ko siya kinuha. Doon ako nagbase.
Yeah. In the end, we're both, in the end, Pareho tayong walang error.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, that'll fucking work.
Okay, next.
Next.
Yung itong
Yung
next
string.
baka last ko na.
So this line
last
would
mo
be
na.
equivalent to first
Tapusin na
equals
natin.
10. You're dealing with a string, not an integer.
Henry,
Similarly,
Second-
stream. Ay, hindi, okay na pala. Never mind.
Ano?
it's going to be 20 as a string. See? Once again, we got an error. The error is saying that this expression to first plus second. That is another way to write this piece of code.
Sum
Ayun yung sa kanya.
equals. Sum equals. First and
Mas
second.
kamukha niya yung sa'yo.
Oo.
Pareho kayo ng ano.
Oo nga, pwede kong gawin pangala yun. Dati ko na, like, I wasted space. Yeah, mas, pareho kami. Kasi
mas
hindi niya
malapit
pa, at this point, kasi hindi niya pa tinuturing comma eh. Kaya siguro plus ginamit niya.
Sa akin, ibang-iba. so basically is equals. Bakit nagamit niya yung sum? Ba't
Saan?
hindi ko pinapasok niya asan yung sum?
Yung sum kasi dito is just a name.
Yun nga eh.
Hindi
Sa akin,
siya
ko magamit
function.
as a name.
Hindi siya function dito.
Kaya nga, hindi nga alam ko, hindi ko siya function. Pero hindi ko siya nagagamit as a variable. Oh, automatic siya.
Wait lang,
Na
patingin.
O, tingnan mo, automatic
Patingin.
siya nag-highlight. Oh, pag in-enter ko, function siya. Hindi ko magamit yung sum as ano lang.
Baka iba yung, baka may specific, ano siya,
O baka bago na to kasi every 3 years daw nag-update si
si Python.
Python. Set 3 years ago pa ito. Baka nagdagdag sila ng sum.
I see. Oo nga, kasi nagva-violate siya, so ibig sabihin nun function
O,
siya.
yun nga. Sa kanya, hindi.
Or
Tinype niya lang as sum.
it means something.
Ang
Baka ibang
Okay.
sum. Baka hindi siya addition.
Hindi nga addition sum to. Kaya nag-error din ako kanina.
Okay.
Hindi siya addition sum, ginagamit ko sa sum parang Excel, ayaw niya.
Okay.
Diyan ko lang nabasa, iterable start. So, okay, it doesn't mean sum, doesn't mean as answer as addition.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go next.
So type conversion is important in Python and other programming languages. There are times you need to convert the type of a variable to a different type.
Noted.
Wait, if you can use float on whole numbers, why even use
Integer, no?
integers?
Hindi.
Eh di
Siguro
float
pag
na lang
ano,
lagi.
siguro pag necessary na whole number, like kunwari age, ganun.
Para at least nobody will put 10.1
Oo.
kung ganun. Okay, that makes sense. Pang barrier na pantanggal lang talaga. First, that makes
In
sense.
this tutorial, I'm going to show you a
Here's-
bunch of cool things you
here's
can do
smart
with
and
strings
stupid.
in Python. So let's start by declaring a variable called course and set it to Python for beginners. Now this string that we have over here is technically an object. And an object in Python is like an object in the real world. As a metaphor, think of the remote control of your TV. This remote control is an object and it has a bunch of capabilities. It has a bunch of buttons for turning your TV on, turning it off, changing the volume, and so on. Now in this program, this course variable is storing a string object. This string object has a bunch of capabilities. So if you type course dot, you can see all the capabilities available in a
Whoa.
string object. These are basically functions that you can call, just like the print or input functions. The difference is that the print and input functions are general purpose functions. They don't belong to a particular object, but the functions you see over here are specific to strings. Now, more accurately, we refer to these as methods. So when a function is part of an object, we refer to that function as a method. So let's look at a few examples. Here we have a function or a method called upper, and we use that to convert a string to uppercase. So if we print course.upper and run this program, you can see our course in uppercase. Pretty useful. Now, what you need to understand here is that this upper method does not change our original string. It will return a new string. So right after this, if we print course you can see that our course variable is not affected. So the upper method returns a new string. Now, similarly, we have another method called lower for converting a string to lowercase. We have a method called find to see if our string contains a character or a sequence of characters. For example, here we can pass y, and this will return the index of the first occurrence of y in our string. So, in Python, the index of the first character in a string is 0. So here we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So when we run this program, you're going to see 1 on the terminal because the index of y is 1. Take a look. First, I'm going to delete this
Okay.
line. You don't need it anymore. Also, let's delete this line. Let's run the program. There you go. Now, as I told you before, Python is sensitive to lowercase and uppercase letters. So if I pass an uppercase y here,
Wala.
this find method returns -1 because we don't have an uppercase y in this string. We can also pass a sequence of characters, for example, 4. So this will return the index of the word 4. Take a look. So it's 7. Now, there are times we want to replace something in a string with something else. To do that, we use the replace method. Replace. So we can replace 4 with a string containing the number 4. Take a look. So Python for beginners. Obviously, if we look for a character or a sequence of characters that don't exist in our string, nothing is going to happen. For example, if we try to replace x with 4, obviously we don't have x here, so nothing is going to happen. Also, just like the upper method, the replace method is not going to modify our original string, so it's going to return a new string. This is because strings in Python and many other programming languages are immutable. We cannot change them once we create them. Whenever we want to change a string, we'll end up with a new string object in memory. Now, one last thing I want to cover in this tutorial. There are times you want to see if your string contains a character or a sequence of characters. One way to do that is using the find method that we talked about. So let's see if our string contains Python. Now, when we run this program, that is the index of the first occurrence of the word Python in our string. Now, in Python, we can also use the in operator. So we can write an expression like this. We type a string, Python, then we type in. This is a special keyword in Python. This is what we call the in operator. So after that, we type the name of our variable. So with this expression, you're checking to see if we have Python in course. As you can see, Python code is very readable. It's like plain English. So when we run this program,
Actually.
instead of seeing the index of the first occurrence of Python, we see a Boolean value. This is more desirable in a lot of cases. Next, we're going to look at arithmetic operations. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the arithmetic operators that we have in Python. These are the same arithmetic operators that we have in math. For example, we can add numbers, we can subtract them, multiply them, and so on. So let's print 10 plus 3. When we run this program, we have 13. So this is the addition operator. We also have subtraction, we have multiplication, and division. Now technically we have two different types of division operators. We have a division with 1 slash and another with 2 slashes. Let's look at the differences. If we use a single slash, we get a floating point number that is a number with a decimal point. But if we use double slashes, we get an integer, a whole number.
Okay.
We also have the modulus operator that is indicated by a percent sign, and this returns the remainder of the division of 10 by 3. So that is 1. And finally, we have the exponent operator that is indicated by 2 asterisks. So this is 10 to the power of 3. So when we run this, we get 1,000. Now, for all these operators that you saw, we have an augmented assignment operator. Let me explain what it means. So let's say we have a variable called x, and we set it to 10. Now we want to increment the value of x by 3. So we have to write code like this. X equals x plus 3. When Python executes this code, it's going to evaluate this expression or this piece of code. The result of this expression is 10 plus 3, which is 13. Then it will store 13 in the x. Now there is another way to achieve the same result using less code. we can type x plus equal 3. What we have on line 3 is exactly identical to what we have on line 2. So what we have here is called the augmented assignment operator. So we have this assignment operator, but we have augmented or enhanced it. Now here we can also use subtraction to decrease the value of x by 3. We can use multiplication and so on. So these are the arithmetic operators in Python.
That's confusing.
Yeah.
That's kind of confusing.
All right, let me ask you a question. I'm going to declare a variable called x and set it to 10 plus 3 times 2. What do you think is the result of this expression? This is a basic math
19.
question that unfortunately a lot of people fail to answer.
16.
The answer is
Ay,
16.
16 pala.
Here's the reason. In
3
math,
times
we have
2
this
pala.
concept called operator precedence, and that determines the order in which these operators are applied. So multiplication and division have a higher order, so this part of the expression gets evaluated first. So 2 times 3 is 6, and then the result is added to 10. That is why the result of this expression is 16. Now, in Python, operator precedence is exactly like math, but we can always change it using parentheses. For example, in this
yeah.
expression,
Okay,
if we
yeah.
want 10 plus 3 to be evaluated first, we can wrap it in parentheses.
Oh, literally
So-
pandas.
Yeah.
Like this. Now, when we execute this code, we're going to see 26 because 10 plus 3
Yep.
is 13, and that divided by 2 is 26. Let's verify this. So print x, and we get 26.
Sinabi ko divided.
Kaya nga.
So you learned about the arithmetic operators in Python. Now, in Python, we have another set of operators called comparison operators. We use these
Good night,
operators to
Tony.
compare
Good night.
values.
Bye-bye.
Let me show you. So I'm going to declare a variable
Okay,
called
good
x
night.
and set it to an expression like this. 3 is greater than 2. So what we have here, this piece of code, this expression is called a Boolean expression because it produces a Boolean
If,
value.
Yeah.
So in this case, because 3 is greater than 2,
That's
the
true.
result of this expression is the Boolean
True.
true. So if we print x,
X goes through.
we get true on the terminal. So here's the greater than operator. We also have greater than or equal to. We have less than. We have less than or equal to. Here's the equality operator, which is indicated by 2 equal signs. Do not confuse this with the assignment operator. So here we're
Ah,
comparing
okay,
3
okay.
and 2 for equality.
Yeah,
So if we run our
Yes.
program, we see false because 3
it's
does not
to
equal to 2. So here's the equality operator. We also have
two.
the not equality
equal.
operator that is indicated by an exclamation mark followed by an equal sign. So let's quickly recap. Here are the comparison operators we have in Python. Greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, equal, and not equal. These operators are extremely important in real Python programs because quite often we have to compare values to evaluate certain conditions. You're going to see that soon.
Okay.
In Python, we have another set of operators called logical operators. We use these operators to build complex rules and conditions. Let me show you. So I'm going to declare a variable called price and set it to 25. Now let's print a Boolean expression like this. Price is greater than 10. Now let's say we want to check to see if the price is between 10 and 30. This is where we use the logical AND operator. So we type AND, and right after that we type another Boolean expression. So price less than 30. So with this AND operator, if both these Boolean expressions return true, the result of this entire expression will be true. Take a look. So in this case we get true because the price is between $10 and $30.
Okay.
We also have the OR operator. With the OR operator, if at least one of these Boolean expressions returns
Okay.
true,
It's true.
then the result of this entire
Oh.
expression will be
It's
true.
giving Excel.
To demonstrate this, I'm going to change price
Ganyan
to 5. Let's see how Python is going to execute this code. So first, it's going to look at this Boolean expression. Is price greater than 10? No, it's not. So it will keep going. Then it will look at the second Boolean expression. Is price less than 30? It sure is. So the result of this entire expression will be true.
True.
Take a look.
Okay.
There you go. We also have the not operator, which basically inverses any values that you give it. Let me show you. So we're going to have one Boolean expression, price greater than 10. The result of this expression is false. Now, if we apply the not operator, this will inverse false to true. So when we run the program, we get true. So let's quickly recap. In Python, we have three logical operators. We have logical AND, which returns true if both expressions return true. We have logical OR, which returns true if at least one expression returns true. And we have NOT, which inverses any value that we give it.
That's if.
In this tutorial, we're going to talk about if statements in Python. We use if statements to make decisions in our programs. For example, we can declare a variable called temperature, and depending on the value of this variable, we can print different messages on the terminal. Let me show you. So here's our temperature variable. We set it to 35. Now let's say if temperature is greater than 30, we want to print a message saying it's a hot day. So we type if, then we type a condition, and this is where we use our comparison operators. So we type temperature greater than 30. Then, so we had a colon,
What's it?
and see what happens when I press enter now.
And the thing that I
The caret is
did
indented, and this represents a block of code. So the code that we write over here will be executed if this condition is true. Otherwise, it's not going to be executed. Let me show you. So we're going to print it's a hot day. And by the way, note that here I've surrounded the string with double quotes because here we have a single quote as an apostrophe. So I couldn't declare a string like this with single quotes. If I typed it's a hot day,
Yeah.
look, Python gets confused
Nalilito siya. Okay,
because it
gets.
thinks this
Kaya-
single quote
okay.
represents the end of
Parang
our string, so
bracket
it
and
doesn't
parentheses
recognize
lang
the
din.
subsequent characters. Okay, so that's why we use double quotes here, so we can have an apostrophe in our string. So it's a hot day. Now, if I press enter again, the caret is indented, so the code that we write here will be part of our if block, and it will get executed if this condition is true. So here we can print a second message, drink plenty of water. Now to terminate this block, we press enter and then press shift and tab. The caret is no longer indented, so the code that we write here will always get executed no matter what, whether this condition is true or not. Now, in C-based programming languages like C++, C#, Java, and JavaScript, we represent a block of code using curly braces. So you start a block of code using a left brace and then end it using a right brace. In Python, we don't have curly braces. So we use indentation to represent a block of code. Okay?
Okay.
So in this case, these two lines are indented, and that means they are part of this block of code. Now, let's run the program and see what happens. So we see these two messages because the temperature is greater than 30. Now, if I change the temperature to 25 and run the program again, we don't see
Wala.
anything.
Yeah.
Okay? Now, after this block, let's print done. Because this code is not indented, it will always get executed. It's not part of our if block. Okay? So take a look. Here's the done message. Now, let's add a second condition. So if temperature is not greater than 30, that means it's less than or equal to 30. So I'm going to add a second condition. So if the temperature is between 20 and 30, I want to print it's a nice day. So here we type if, that is short for else if, and here we type a second condition. So temperature greater than 20. We add a colon, press enter, now we have a new block. So here we can print it's a nice day. So if this condition is true, that means the temperature is greater than 20 and less than or equal to 30. Now what we have here is called a comment. That is why it's grayed out. It's not real code. It's just some note that
hashtag
we
is
add to our
comment, yeah.
program. Python is not
Okay.
going to execute this. So whenever we type a pound sign, what we have after is treated as a comment. Okay? So if this condition is true, then we're going to see this message on the terminal. Let's run our program and verify this. There you go. The temperature is 25. That's why we see this message. Now we can have as many conditions as we want. There are no limitations. Okay? So let's add another condition. Elif, temperature.
Wait. But,
Bakit what?
ba't ka pa mag-else if may if? Ba't mo kailangan mag-else if pwede mo lang if temp, if temp, if temp, if temp?
I don't know. Will it work ba kung if din yung statement? Baka kasi
Yeah, it does.
Awe?
Yeah, kasi yung ginawa ko yung sa yung gay detector,
Mm-mm.
di ba? Parehong if lang yun, di ako nag-else if doon. Sabi ko, if ganito yung sagot niya, print, blah blah blah. If ganito yung sagot niya, print, blah blah blah. And it works. So ano yung why do we need to use else if? Why do we need to use else if gumagana naman si if lang? That's the
Okay, I
question.
see. Si else if is, ano daw, if the previous condition are not true, then try this. Parang ganun. Ganun si else if.
Oh,
Pag
pero
if lang kasi parang, it's this or nothing. Parang ganun.
parang if hindi gumana si una, if false yung una na if, automatic papasa niya sa baba.
Oo.
Pero hindi ba ganun din kasi yung code nagra-run siya from top to bottom eh. So if false siya dito, but automatically niya naman niya talaga papasa sa baba. Yung kasunod na anong tawag diyan? Kasunod na anong tawag niya? Tinawag niya yung buong block of code.
Oo.
Yeah, yun. Kaya automatic naman niya ipapasa if false yung sa taas. Hindi naman niya ipiprint if ever yung temperature is less than 30. Automatic naman niya ipapasa sa baba.
I'm not sure. Ito
Okay,
yung nakalagay Ito So the difference is that the code always checks to see if an if statement is true. Checks elif statements only if each if and elif statement above it is false. And also, wait lang. Ito yung buong sinend ko sa'yo sa messenger.
Hindi, I mean, yeah, gets ko na yung sinasabi mo yun nga. If false yung sa taas, automatic niya, then ito try mo to, 'di ba? Ganun. Gets ko siya. Pero saan kaya siya na-apply?
Parang
Saan siya ma-apply? Like what application?
siguro
Like kung nga dito sa temp niya, ma-apply ba siya dito, 'di ba? More than 30.
siguro para lang hindi mahaba yung code mo if ever.
Hindi, pareho lang siya. Tatanggalin mo yung L yung EL Lalagyan mo lang siya ng if. Mas liliit nga ng 2 characters eh. If. Kasi, wait lang, kung 20 yung temp, false. So, magpo-false siya automatic. Siyempre, pupunta siya sa baba.
Here is what the people say.
Nasaan yung mga coders natin dyan sa comment section? Yo, anong pinagkaiba ng if at saka else if? Bakit kailangan siya? Tanong no? So, if we can avoid combine. Oh, we can, if, multiple. That's to check conditions. That returns the value true.
Parang kapag else if ginamit mo, konektado siya. Yun lang yung naintindihan ko. Baka
If,
kaya nag-work yung sa'yo dati dun sa dalawang if lang. Kasi, dalawa, parang, simple lang yung conditions.
uh,
Feel ko
like,
yung mga ganyan is kapag like, marami ng
like kung ano,
factors.
yung maraming factor siya, for example, yung paiba-iba yung, for example, temperature, it's not constant, just say yes or no, di ba? Pwede siyang
Yeah.
blabag, bug, 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 gumaganyan.
Yeah.
Like, for example, dito sa dalawa, pwede siya if, pwede siya for example, dito sa temperature, pwede siya greater than sa 30 yung temperature. At the same time, pwede siya greater than 20 if
Mm.
mag-if ka lang siguro. So, pareho niyang ipiprint lahat yan.
Oo, kung like if lang siya. Pero since
If
L
else
if.
if, pipiliin niya kung saan muna talaga siya.
Mm-mm.
Doon niya ipiprint.
Yeah.
Okay, now we get it. Now we get it. Now we get it. Coding. Okay, okay. So, basically, okay, gets.
Is greater than 10, then we're going to print it's a bit cold. Now in this case, if this condition is true, that means the temperature is greater than 10 and less than or equal to 20. Now finally, if the temperature is less than 10, let's print a message saying it's a cold day. So here we type else, then we add a colon, and now we have a new block. So this code will get executed if none of the above conditions are true. So here we can print it's cold. So this is how we use if statements to make decisions in our programs. Here's a great exercise for you to practice what you have learned so far. I want you to write a weight converter program like this. So this program is asking me my weight. I enter 170. Next, it's asking me if the weight is in kilograms or pounds. So I can type K for kilograms or L for pounds. I can type a lowercase l or an uppercase L. It doesn't matter. So let's go with a lowercase l. Now it tells me weight in kilogram is 76.5. So go ahead and spend 5 minutes on this exercise. You can use the comment box below to share your code with
Okay.
others. And then when you're done, come back see my solution.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Input,
Wait. Okay.
ano, wait.
Oh,
Input. Kailangan. Yung weight. Tapos, kailangan maging yung ay. Wait. Wait. Files. And mm,
Oh my goodness.
lang, ba't naging puti itong ano? Ayun. Naging puti yung ano. Ano kita? Okay. Ay. Okay.
Tahimik ka.
Dahil nag-iisip eh.
Yun nga eh.
Hindi. Yung ano
Oh,
kanina.
I see. Yes.
Ayaw. Mayroon na. Invalid syntax. Ba't ako binibigyan ng error? Tinatype ko lang yung if. Hmm.
Mm.
Hindi. Here. Ganyan. Um, ay, hindi. Ayan, tama. Ano yung ano? Ano yung formula ng pounds? Ay, hindi.
Sinerch ko na lang.
2.25. Yeah, it's 2.25. Yeah. I should know this.
25 ba? Hindi ba 2.20 lang?
If I'm not mistaken, it's 2.25. I mean, yeah. Ang alam ko, 2.25 siya. Because, yeah. Ang alam ko, 2.25. Yung exact niya. Tama. Tama ba? Kasi yung natandaan ko, nagbubot ako.
2.205.
2.205. O, 2.2 nga. Tama. 2.205 pala. My bad. Okay, so, yung ano, hindi, siguro dapat bago ko i-print. Ay, hindi, pwede.
I think I got it.
Lang. Tama. Okay. Could be, wait lang. Kung ipiprint ay kung yan, kung yung weight niya is kg, should be times 5, tama. Should be, wait, nasaan na yun? Nasaan na yung asterisk ko? Times 2.5. 80.2. Na siya. Answer. Tapos naman, yung ano, score, ay, parang, tapos ka na?
Yeah.
Bilis naman! That was fast.
Ay, wait lang. Parang may mali ako.
Bakit? Di siya di siya nagra-run?
Hmm. Hindi, may parang baliktad ata akong ginawa. Wait lang.
Go lang. I think patapos na. Wait. Ay. Yan. Ay. Type of float. Bakit? Di ba naka-float na yung ano ko ah. Event multiplies equals by 9 to 0 time. Float na nun to ah. Hindi ba? Tama yun ba na? Kailangan pa bang yan ito? Ano? Tignan?
Oh my god.
Huh? Huh? Oh.
I am falling asleep. May mali akong ginawa. I'm just not sure what I did wrong.
By non-integer of type float. I mean float na yung weight ko. Tapos, um, simulan mo yung sequence line natin. Start. What if start lang. Still gets that 2.2 weight in kilo per annum. One, two, three, four. Sinasabi niya na
Let's run our program and
multiply
verify this.
sequence.
There you go. Trophy in our string. 30, it sure is, so the result of this entire expression will be true. 5. Now here's the greater than 2, and this represents a block.
Nag-okay na yun sa'yo?
So we
Nag-run?
see
Nag-run siya pero mali yung lumalabas eh. Wait lang.
Line 5. Mali daw yung line 5 ko.
these two messages. Let's run our program and verify this. There you go. The test done. Because
Or L.
people fail in uppercase. Pretty useful. We have a division with one slash operator if at least one of these
Wait. Wait. Say 90.2. Kilogram. Pero,
I see.
over spring and flow. Float yun eh.
Boolean expressions returns true, then the result of
Okay, I saw it na. Okay. Ano? Let's say wait. Ayun, nakita ko na. Yan. Kailangan kong lagyan ng ganito. Hindi pa automatic. Yan dapat gawin na gano'n. Ay, gagi. Okay. Ay.
this entire expression will be true. Invert a single using a right is greater than 20.
Wait lang.
Sige lang.
Ba't may open and close parenthesis? Tumobra. Okay. Ba't ang dami ng akin? Ba't 8.0000?
and less than or equal to 30. Now, what we have here is called a comment. That is greater than 10 and less than. There you go. The temperature.
.000. Di siya nagturo ng ano, no, kung hanggang ilang decimal point lang. Kung i-limit, di ba? Wala pa siyang ginawang ganun.
Limit ng decimal point.
Mm.
Meron ba? Parang wala naman.
Hindi siya, no?
Hmm. Kamusta?
I think mine is, it's pretty good na, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah, I think okay na yung akin.
Ako medyo nag-give up na ako.
Ba't
Masakit
ako
na.
nagka-error? Tama na kanina to, ah. Ba't ako nagka-error? Okay. Loaded. Yeah, mali nga ako. Ayun. Oh, red. Never mind. I think okay na yung akin. Continue mo. Let's
Ako,
say
di ko na kaya.
90.5. Let's say kilogram ako. Okay. Ay. Else. If. Ano ko naman na, lowercase or ano. Ay, hindi. Mali yung ano ko. Ano ata? That. Hindi. Ayaw. Ano yung code na ginamit ko lang? Baka hindi yun. Anyway, i-change ko na lang na A. Saka L. Yan, okay na yung akin.
We.
Okay. Let's say, lagay ko 90.5 ako.
Oops.
So, kung kilogram. Ay, kilogram ako, tapos gagawin yung pounds. Hindi na error. Tama naman ah. Huh? Ba't puro error? A L ba't tayo? Or dapat ano to na Hindi, dapat else lang eh. Di ba po yung else, pag hindi siya doon sa mga nasa taas,
Oo.
automatic, else, if hindi siya mag-equals, di ba? If hindi siya mag-true doon sa taas, automatic, idadali niya sa else. But
Yeah.
ayaw nung sa akin. 90k. Hindi error. Ba't niya laging inilalagay sa else? Tama naman ah. Ayaw niyang okay na yun sa'yo?
Ayoko na. Give up na ako kasi di na kaya ng ano ko, mata. Gumagana siya pero for some reason, etong isa, feel ko yung else if ko is not working properly.
Ano, ba't niya inaano ng else? Ganun bakit niya ina-else eh? You gets. Gusto ng else. Pero kung tatanggalin ko to, magra-run siya ng maayos. Ay, hindi niya. Hindi niya piniprint. Ay, wala siyang inaano. Print. Tama naman yung ano ko ah. 8_2 divided by times at saka divided by 2.2 lang naman, di ba? Nangyari.
Gusto ko na makita yung sagot niya actually.
Kaya niya.
Ayaw, di lumalabas.
Hindi na nalabas. Pero tama naman tong ano, di ba?
Di ba dapat may indentation? Di ba yun?
What do you mean?
Di ba dapat nasa baba yung print?
Ganun ba?
On a
Dapat
separate line?
ba? Like, dapat ba ganyan? Akala ko ano? Wait lang nga. Try naman dyan. Akala ko ano lang yun. Parang ano tawag doon? Di ba parang ano lang yun? Anong tawag doon? Yung ay, okay. Parang pwede mong i-break yung rule na yun. Ayaw niya talaga. Yeah, print. Weight in pounds. Kanina nag-okay siya eh. 2.2. Ano ba ito? Hindi pa rin. Tayo niya mag-print. Anong problema? What's the problem? Saan niya print yun? Wait in LBS. Blah, blah. Anong maligo? What's my mali? Highlight of problems. 7 week warnings. Anong tanggalin? Wala siyang ano. I think I found it na. Yun ba? Wait. Is this it? Is this it? I think this is it. I'm fucking stupid pag hindi to. I'm fucking stupid. GG's na ba? GG's?
Ayoko na. Ako ayoko na.
Sige na. Okay na.
Ako ayoko na kasi inaantok na ako. Like, total, unti na lang matutulog na ako on stream. What? Print. Where am I print? Shit. Yeah. KG is equals to KRK print weight in pounds tapos weight times 2.2. Ba't kung lumalabas? Yung mapakalit. Oh, sorry. Yan, let's... Tingnan nga natin yung sagot niya. Okay.
Ano pakala kung bakit.
To uppercase. Earlier we talked about string methods. So if you type dot we can see all the functions or methods available in a string object. So we use the upper method, and this returns a new string in uppercase. Now, if this condition is true, first we need to convert the weight to pounds. So we declare a new variable called converted, get the weight, and divide it by 0.45. And then
What?
Huh?
Huh? Oh, wait lang.
Hindi. Parang ganun
off
din
yung
sa atin.
headset.
Baligtad lang, parang sa atin lang din, kaso baligtad lang. Baligtad lang, same
then we
stuff.
can print this on a terminal. So we say weight in pounds is, then we append converted. Now to
Ano ba yung kulang ko? Dito mo ba? Kaya ayaw?
Iba yung ginawa ko.
But... Okay. Ayaw niya talaga magbigay ng sagot, kanya nagbibigay siya.
terminate this block, we press Shift and Tab, else, colon. So if this condition is not true, that means the weight was entered in pounds, so we need to convert it to kilograms. Once again, we declare a variable, converted, and set it to weight times 0.45. And then we print weight in kilograms, and here we concatenate this string with converted. All right, now we need to terminate this block, so we press enter, then shift and tab. Good. Now if you run this program, we're going to see an error. Let me show you. So let's run it. Here I'm going to enter 170.
Lang sa akin eh.
Then I type a lowercase l. Okay, here's an error. Can't multiply sequence by non-int of type float. So this
Ito
is
yung
where
akin kanina
we
eh.
got this error.
Oh,
When we try to multiply the
Error pa.
weight by 0.45.
Kailangan gawin mo nung
So,
slow.
That is line 7 in our code. Now, the reason this is happening is because the weight variable is storing a string object. Because earlier I told you, the input function always returns a string. So here we need to convert the weight to a number. We can either use the int or the float function. Let's run the program one more time. So, 170 in pounds. Here's a second error. Can only concatenate string, not float to string. And that error occurred over here when we try to print the weight in kilograms. So look at line 7. In this case, weight is an integer. We are multiplying an integer by a float, and the result of this operation is going to be a float.
Hindi float mo na
Now
lang.
on line 8, we're trying to concatenate or combine a string with a float, and Python doesn't know how to execute this code. To solve this
kailangan
problem,
integer.
we need to convert this float to a string. So
A
here we
string.
use the built-in stir function. Let's run the program and see what happens. So 170 in pounds, and here's my weight in kilograms. Now let's try entering a weight in kilograms. So run it one more time. Let's say 76 kilos. Here we get a familiar error. Can only concatenate string to string, not float. So this error occurred on line 5, where we try to concatenate a string to a float. So once again, we need to convert this to a string object. Now, let's run the program one more time. 76 kilos is equal to 168 pounds.
Wala naman kami pinagkaiba.
Yun nga eh, same.
Ba't ayaw lumabas ng computation ko? Where did I go wrong? Tama naman ah.
Yeah.
Ito, float na siya. So, inaano ko siya sa float kasi yung weight, weight 2 ko kasi float na. Yung weight niya, float na to. So, float na to. So, dapat magaan na to. Problema ko, bakit wala siyang piniprint? Bakit wala siyang piniprint?
Mm.
Ito, ito, non, ano, master, kasi if lang naman, di ba? Ibig sabihin, nitong pag tinatype ko dito, hindi siya hindi siya nagtutrue. Ibig sabihin, hindi ito nagtutrue, hindi ito nagtutrue. Kaya wala lumalabas at siya lumalabas yung else. Bakit di siya nagtutrue? Tama naman eh. Or ba? Dapat 90.5. Oh, lagay ko kay. Nagpo-false siya. Bakit siya nagpo-false? So, if kg or pounds is K or K, print tinatype ko naman, K.
Yung sa akin, yung problema naman, kanina kasi ginamit ko or. If yung unit is equal to lowercase k or uppercase k. Tapos gumagana siya. Yung sa akin ngayon bago na eh. Pero gumagana siya for the kilo. Tapos nung binaliktad ko na siya for the for the pounds, yung lumalabas pa rin is yung for the kilo. Which is weird. I don't know where I went wrong. Kanina naka-else if yan.
Yung sa'yo?
Oo. Pero yung lumalabas pa rin is yung for the kilo.
For the kilo. No. Saan naman? Binasa wala lumalabas.
Yun nga eh. Patingin nga nung sa'yo. Wait lang, tingnan ko sa stream.
Yan, tama naman eh. Katulad na sa kanya. Hindi tingnan mo.
Oo nga. Yeah.
Yung weight niya, integer input. Hindi yun eh. Kasi stuff loop na yun eh. Kumbaga inan niya lang. Wait. Blah. Input. Pareho lang. Input. Tapos if here blah blah blah. Here's K or K or pwedeng gamitin yung upper. Converted. Basically, nilagyan na lang na sarili niya eh. Nilagyan niya lang ng variable para na-shortcut na. Converted na lang yung buong function. Print. Blah blah blah. Weight in pounds. Pero ba't ayaw mag-true? Meron bang extra character na nalagay ko dito? Wala naman, di ba? Ba't ayaw niya mag-true? Dito?
If...
Okay. Bang.
Yeah.
Pwede rin kanina. Bagong error ako.
Kailangan string.
Okay. Ngayon wala na akong error. Kaya kailangan string kaso ginawa kong comma. So, hindi na siya nag-error. Kaso, ayaw pa rin niya mag-true.
I see.
Yeah.
Ang weird ng or. Ayaw gumana sa atin ng or.
Kanina hindi man nga orto eh.
Yun
Sa
nga
akin eh.
nakita ko nga, naka-lowercase ka, diba?
Nakakama.
Gets ko yung ginawa niya dito. Para like, kahit anong i-input niya is magiging capital.
Capital. Parang sa atin lang din. Kung imbis na ginawa natin dot upper, close, open and close,
Mm.
ginawa natin, nilagay natin parehong K. So it's the same thing.
Yeah, yun nga eh.
Ba't ayaw niya mag-true? Ba't ayaw niya mag-true? Hindi ko gets, ba't ayaw niya mag-true?
Oo.
Asan yung error ko?
Yun nga eh. Nawawala.
Ito yung mga error ko eh. Missing white space after 5. Hindi, white space before 6. Remove redundant parenthesis. Daw. Ito, missing white space. White space lang naman eh. Mga ganyan lang yan eh.
Mm.
Ay, ganyan lang yan eh. Para lang ano eh. Pogi eh. Yan oh. Redundant black line end of file. Di naman error talaga to. Wala akong error. Yan, hindi. L. Boom. Wait. Kung ano yung input ko sa wait, gagawin ang float. So, siya na si wait 2. So, si wait 2 float na siya. Hindi na siya string. Tapos, si wait, inaano ko siya sa float na 2.2. Hindi naman yung problema. Tama naman yun eh. Yung KG or LBS input is KG or LBS. Yung string. Yung input.
Mm.
Tapos, sabi ko, if KG or pounds is K, capital K or K, mag-print siya. O, wala, tama naman ah. Saka naman siya.
Mm-mm.
Input KG or LDS. Input lang yun eh. KG or LDS. Oh, baka may mali ako dito.
Ang
Ito
weird.
naman yun eh. KG or LDS. Tama na, KG or LDS. KG or LBS.
No, unit. Yun yung unit
Siya
mo eh,
yun.
di ba?
O yung unit ko. Yung variable niya. Tama. Sabi mo nga ulit, baka meron akong nasingit na something Pack. Hina-highlight pa niya, di ba?
Mm-mm.
So, tama, ito daw si ito. Same time, blah, 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 pa. O kung pinanggal ko to. Ito lang yung pinagkaiba na lang namin eh. Kasi error naman ako. Ayun, tatlo. Itong error na to. Dapat nakasara. Okay, tama naman. Okay. Sige, yun na muna. Iyan ko nga to. Paano ko sa mga sa alam kong nagko-code. Ay, sa mga alam kong nagko-code. Iyan ko
Sige.
nga to, ba't ayaw lumabas? Bakit?
Yun nga
Share
eh.
mo rin nga yun sa'yo.
Ay, hindi. Medyo, ginaya ko na yung sa kanya. Ginaya ko sa kanya, pero tinanggal ko yung converted. Tapos, ginaya ko yung sa'yo, yung print agad.
Mhm.
Gumana naman. Pero yung kinuha ko sa kanya, yung if upper.
If upper, yung sa'yo, umokay na.
Hindi eh. Nag-give up na ako dun. Yung kanina, yung may or ayaw niya talaga. Nalilito siya.
Yung ko na sa sarili ko, yung code ko.
Sige. Tatry ko,
Okay.
tatry ko tingnan bukas kung anong nangyari.
Sige, sige.
Kasi
Pero
kung
gusto,
dyan pa lang,
ay, sige.
parang may some weird rules na siya.
Nagtataka ako, ayaw niyang i-print.
Yung sa akin, ayaw yung or. Which is annoying.
Dumadami yung viewers mo.
Ha?
Dumadami viewers mo, nagising na ata sila.
Wait,
Naging
tama naman.
five.
Ako naman yung matutulog. Tama na. Meh. Meh.
Pero gusto ko i-clip yung kanina. Yung pinakauna.
Bakit? Ano yung pinakauna?
Yung kanina yung I'm a coding genius.
Ay, oo, sige.
Para yung point of view na nakalito ko.
Sige, sige. Ano na lang, mamaya na lang ulit.
Sige, sige. That's gonna be it, chat. Bye-bye na muna.
Bye-bye. We're gonna try this again later.
Ano ko muna to. Yeah, I'm gonna figure this out hanggang mga tulog ako actually. Sige. Bye-bye. Bye-bye 6 viewers. Bye-bye chat.
Bye-bye.
Later na lang. This is low-key fun. It's so engaging sa utak. Bye-bye.